inspecting an old barn, old granary style barn here. Customer would like this removed. I think this is family farm stuff here, so probably some memories with this guy here, but we're gonna just look at maybe what we can do with it. So what I'm noticing, it's got vertical board and batten, but tucked underneath here, you can see it's got the shiplap tongue and groove, or is it shiplap? Looks like tongue and groove. It's got a V and a groove. Tripping on stuff. But lovely gray barn boards here. Probably 2 layers of them. Looks like the old girl's got a little lean to her. She's kind of askew. But that's all right. That's all right. She's pretty. A couple doors over here. A lot of the battens are kind of removed, but a lot of the old battens are that profiled batten. Get. If you can replace stuff. 16-foot board and batten pieces on this end. It's pretty sweet. Not a timber barn. Just conventionally made, but it is balloon framed. Don't have any plates right there. They mortise in this ledger board, drop those on, nail them in there. Like a 4x6 post is about the biggest we have in this thing. We don't even have any kind of beam. I can see maybe a ridge beam up into the top of this thing. Might try to sneak up and see if I can't poke my head in the top if I get a ladder. See in there. But, it's got a steel roof on it, and it does have 2 layers of roof deck boards too. So this is kind of as a treasure trove of barn boards, not beam and timber type stuff, but lots of gray barn wood. Let's see what the measurements are and for a price on this thing. And I think I'm going to get my ladder off, possibly sneak a peek in there. Get the camera. Owie. Nope, too tall. Too tall. Let's see if I can do it over here. Nothing to climb on, but maybe I can hi-ya it up there. Hi-ya! I don't know if I can see anything in there. He's looking up too much. There. Try that. I don't know if I can see anything in there. It's got power. Alright. Everything inside's fairly, the floor joists are settled because the center beam is making a bow, so the floor is probably okay. Floor joists, I don't know if they're going to be straight enough to keep, but got some nice patina and steel on the roof. That's what protected that whole barn for so long. Good job, steel roof. There's our inspection.